Hello, chimpanzee volunteers. Welcome to another tutorial to help you participate in the Zooniverse Chimpanzee project. When you're composing a talk message, often you want to share a photo or video or provide a link to a website or another talk discussion. This tutorial describes how to include content sourced from chimpanzee in your message, as well as your own media or media that you find elsewhere online. The first method we'll discuss involves videos that have been identified during the chimpanzee classify workflow. In other words, it uses media owned by chimpanzee. For instance, let's say you want to create a talk message that displays a video with the subject number 32412572. First, click the Linked Image button at the bottom right side of a new talk message. Underneath the message, a new area opens up. Ignore the boxes along the bottom of the window. Enter the subject number, in this case 32412572, and click the blue search button. Now, what happens next is something you'll just have to take on faith, because nothing's going to be as visible as you'd like. You'll know that the video for the subject you entered has been linked if you see the little image icon display in the top left corner of your message. However, you won't be able to see the image if you try to preview the message. Enter the text of the message you want to send, and then click the green Submit button. This is how your message looks in the discussion. If you want to refer to a specific still image in the video, just indicate in your post which still volunteers should look at. When clicked, each of the numbered tabs below the video displays an individual still image. When you click on the tab for a still image, notice that a new button appears in the lower right toolbar. This is the Subject Image button. When you click this button, it opens the still image in a new window. This is important because now there is a unique URL for the still image. You can copy that link and insert the still image into a talk message via the Image Media button. We'll explain how to do that later in this video. Now let's have a look at the second way you can add media to your discussion. You'll use this method when you want to add pictures of your own or from a source other than chimpanzee. At the top left side of the talk message, you'll see three buttons: Link, Image, and Video. Each button gives you the opportunity to enter a URL to a site outside of chimpanzee that provides image sharing services. For example, you can use the Video button to link to a YouTube video. Type the message you want to send, then click the Video button. Let's replace the default link with this link to the chimpanzee video for recognizing chimp faces. When you click the Preview button, you'll see the video in the message. Click the green Submit button. This is how your message looks in the discussion. You can use the Image button to link to images and collages available online. Type the message you want to send, then on a new line, click the Image button and replace the default text with the URL to the page where the image is hosted. However, Zooniverse recommends that you use a free service called Imgur for uploading images, and we describe how to do that in a separate video located in the Video Tutorials resource list. If you want to include an image in your message, it's really important that you view this video. The Link Media button is often used to link to another discussion on Talk, and you can also use it to link to another external source, such as a Wikipedia article. Type the message that you want to send, select the text that you want to link, click the Link Media button, and replace the default text by pasting the URL you want to link. Let's link to an interesting article on chimpanzee female sexual swelling. When you preview the message, you'll see that the text you selected is now an active hyperlink. As you get more involved with talk discussions during chimp matching, you'll discover that volunteers regularly post their own images, videos, and links. This sharing of information is what makes the chimpanzee community so much fun to belong to. To get started, watch the video entitled Using Talkboards, located in the Video Tutorials resource list. Then, join the discussion in one of the research sites that are currently open. To see a list of available sites, go to the main Chimp ID Talkboard and scroll through the list of boards with Chimp IDs in their name.